Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mr. Argueta coming to you via this video. This is Principles of Management Hybrids. Now, some of you guys have already taken me in the past, so you're very familiar with what we do. But for those of you who have not, and for the rest of the class, I want to give you a heads up. This week's going to be very unique because, I'll show you. Let me log into our Blackboard in our class here. This is going to be week number 1. This is our class, hybrid. Week number 1, and this is where you're going to be focused on, where it says Learn Smart Weekly assignments, week number 1. So the challenge on this is we are a hybrid class. Normally that means we will meet twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays at our assigned time, which I think is like 9:30. Give me 1 second, I'll tell you right now. Yeah, 9:30 to 10:45 in Building B at the Whitfield Murray County campus. My room number, my classroom number is 223, and my office number is 222. So unfortunately, this week is a very unique week. So, or the week that we're meeting, which is the week of the 2nd. The 3rd is technically the first day we're supposed to meet, but we will not meet on that day because I will be in Lanier College representing TCSG, the Technical College Systems, under their Instructor of the Year. And then on the 5th, we have a faculty development day. All the campuses are closed, so there's no classes. So the first week of your B term, you will not have to come to school, but you will have to do the assignments. So I wanted to give you a heads up on how that works. So chapter 1, basically what you have to do for week 1 is you got to do the syllabus and syllabus quiz, which is here. The syllabus quiz is nothing more than a true-false question, and it's going to say, did you read the syllabus, which is right above it. And you click on that, you get the syllabus, you read through that. Key points here that you want to take away, how you get graded, and this is how you get graded right here. So 30% is attendance participation, 30% is this Learn Smart, 30% is your homework and quizzes, and 10% is your final exam and midterm. So make sure you take a look at that, understand there's some key dates that you want to keep in your mind here. Obviously, the first week I've already told you we're not meeting in class. You'll be doing your work online. But also March 30th and through April 3rd, you're on spring break and no classes will be conducted that week, nor will you have any assignments due on that week. So make sure you keep that in mind so you can take some time off. All right, that being said, let's go to what you do for week number 1. So in this class, you do not need a physical book. What you will need is the access code. 2 ways to get the access code. The first way is you can go to the bookstore and buy it there, or you can do it online by clicking on chapter 1. You click on any one of these assignments, it'll take you to McGraw-Hill. McGraw-Hill will have you sign up, and McGraw-Hill provides you a 2-week for free access to the work. Make sure you take advantage of that. Then it will expire. You will then have to pay $75 to continue access to the book. So please make sure you're prepared for that. That's how you do it and get started right away. 2 free weeks is really helpful so you won't fall behind. I do not go back, nor do I open up ahead assignments. Week 1 is due on week 1. If you miss it, because for whatever reason, we move on. We're not going to get stuck there. It becomes a hassle going back. So please make sure that you're doing your work on time. I do not accept late work. I do not go back. So please just work on the week that we're working on. All right. So that being said, you have 2 chapters to do on that week. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and the syllabus quiz. And other than that, you're all set. And we will meet the following week. On the following week, we'll start Tuesday at 9:30, which will be the 10th. So please make sure that you are ready to come to class on March 10th. That's when we start our first day of class. Other than that, if you need me, please reach me through an email. I'm very accessible. I'm able to reply to you right away if you email me. I carry my phone and my emails on my phone, so it's easy for me to check and see what's going on. But make sure you get your first week's assignments completed. Make sure you do your syllabus quiz before the end of the first week, because if you don't, you will be dropped from the course. I'm going to send this out. I'm going to ask you to reply to the email saying you got it, you understand what's going on in week number 1, and you're ready to go. Guys, I appreciate you. Looking forward to spending some time with you. It's going to go by super quick, so let's get ready to make this happen. Guys, have a wonderful time, and we will talk to you soon.